Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And let's just talk about what happened yesterday, alright? You see I'm on the 5 minutes here. I counted 5 waves, so I think we are done for going down right now. Which would make sense, right? Into that 6-2 area that I was talking about yesterday. So yesterday, guys, I was talking about, and the day before that I was still talking about 6.7, right? But we simply couldn't make that. So what happened here is we got rejected by the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, like I said yesterday, and today we had the big fall, right? That's as simple as I can explain it right now. So this is the start of a bigger swing down, right? Remember, if this is the 1, then this is your 2, and then the 3 is going to be large, right? And within this 3, there's going to be a 5-wave structure. And I think we just got our first wave. Because if we look on the 5 minutes here, and I know you have to go on the 5 minutes because it simply drops so fast. If you go on the 15, it's harder to see. But anyways, if we go on the 5 here, what I can see is a 1, 2, for a 3 down, for a 4, and then a 5, right? And if I throw a Fibonacci extension on here, so from here to this 1, your 2 is up here, very shallow. Then you do see that your 3 hits the 1.618 nearly to the exact point. Then you're going to go up for your 4 and then down for your 5 to about 2.618, right? So it could very well be done, guys, right? For this little drop here. Now what I'm looking for then is simply to look for a small long, right? I play the markets both ways, guys, on the margin here. I would look for a small long as well to maybe, and I mean this is counter trend, so definitely have your stops in place if you would play this. Is to go to the 4 wave here, right? This is your 4 sub wave, so you know the 0.5, maybe 382 to be conservative, and then go further down, right? Look for a short again, because this is not done yet, guys, right? This is only your first wave. So let's take a look at where we could possibly land if this is only your first wave, right? If this is only your first wave, let's put it on the 15-minute here with a little bit more zoomed out. So if this is only your first wave, and we take our fib extension, then this is your bottom. If you go back up to the, let's say the 0.5, right, for that 4 wave, then you're gonna get a 1.618 at 5.8k, right? And your 2.618 will be at 5.6, and that coincides quite well with what we said before, right? So you'll get a 5-way structure like that, and that is only well, then maybe our wave's complete, right? So you would get something like this. You will get a 1, and you will get a 2, right? You're gonna get a 3. You're gonna get a 4. Maybe back up to 6k, maybe, yeah. And you're gonna get a 5, right? And this is very hypothetical, but it could very well play out, right? So, this is just something that could very well happen here. So let me just, obviously this needs to be a small degree, and this will be a road, right? This will be a roadmap. So it could very well play out, guys. So just keep this in mind, right? Why I say we're not done dropping yet is also, if we look on the 4-hour here, look at this red candle, right, guys? It's massive. Massive red candle. Good volume on the drop. Good volume, guys. Very important. And I mean, yeah, we expect a small retrace, right, on this 4-hour. And then for it to go further, right? I'm not saying it will blast easily through here, because it's very hard, but to hit 5.8 is not that hard, because we've done it before, right? We've done it before here, guys, right? So keep this in mind. And look at this. It lines up with my 3. It lines up with my 3 so well. So that's even more confluence right there, right? So guys, this is exactly what I mean, right? You need to be able to play the markets both ways. Because if you were long, alright, so let's say you got stopped out because someone in Telegram got stopped out, ball run. I'm sorry, bro, but then you should have looked for a new short. Do not try to go against the grain and try to go against this big clout, okay? It was very thick, very, very thick. It's just not the way to play it. You know, that's dangerous. Also, your 100 EMA here on the 4 hour. Do not try to go play against it, guys. Right, the trend's still down. And well, the 4 hour here on the MACD. So we're gonna look at MACD, etc. now, guys. It simply tells me it wants to go down, right? Look on the 6 hour, wants to go down. So this is only just starting, guys, right? So if you, let's say you missed this, no problem, right? No problem. Just get in on a retrace, right? Get in on a retrace. It's just like playing the long, but now you're playing the short, right? And just get in on the retrace for the 2 to the 3. Remember, this is only wave 1. Wave 1 is probably not the biggest, right? So wave 3 is most likely going to be way more profitable, right? Look at that. Okay, if you catch that, guys, you're sitting pretty. Okay, you're sitting pretty. So just try to catch that. All right, so let's take a look at the 12 hour here as well. All right, the 12 hour MACD wants to cross down. Remember, we got in here on the bullish one. Now it wants to cross down. So it simply tells me that we could go way further down. Another big thing is the daily. It wanted to cross up, but it got rejected big time here. Okay, so we got rejected from the daily MACD here. And the 3 day, well, the 3 days still just figuring out what it wants to do. Now we're going to talk. Now we're going to look at some Bollinger Bands here. So the 3 day Bollinger, well, where is that at? Is at 5.6 as well. So it shows me a 5.6 is very reasonable for us to eventually go to here. Okay, 3 days a big time frame, so it will take some time. Daily Bollinger is at 5.8. You know, so it once again confirms that. 12 hour Bollinger is at 6159. So you know, it just confirms these things, right? 4 hour, obviously we went way through here, so you know, for us to get back in a little bit, it'd be normal, right? So anyways, guys, this is why I switch sometimes, right? Obviously I wanted to see 6-7 and we didn't. You know, you can't always be right, and if I'm not right and it shows me that I'm wrong, that's fine. I don't care about being right or being wrong. I only care about making money, and you do that by playing what the chart tells you, right? And this is obviously a big Ichimoku cloud, and it told us to go down, right? So that's why I switched yesterday, right? Some people asked, like, so yesterday, like yesterday, right, on that video they said that the previous video I was talking about 6.7 and now not anymore. That was simply because of the fact of that the Ichimoku cloud was just too strong and we got rejected from it, right? And you need to play on what the chart is telling you. So right now I'm just, you know, looking to go back into a short here. Okay, maybe play a little long, but that's very risky, guys, right? Very, very risky. It's something you could do, but you don't need to, okay? Play with what the trend's telling you. The trend's telling you it's down here, right? So just play what the trend's telling you, okay, guys? And you'll be just fine. If for somehow we break upwards, then we gotta play that. But right now, the trend's telling you down, okay? So just play that, alright, guys? Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So let's take a look at what's going on here. I obviously posted this chart here with the 5 waves down, just like I showed you here, guys. The 5 minute, that the 5 waves is done, and that it's a good time to at least close for now and see what's going on for now, right? And get back in when you can. Let's see what else. So let's take a look at Terry's chart here. So Bitcoin USD. So you're very bullish. A, B, and then you see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the 618, and then we fall, or what? That is something that could happen as well. I just don't. I wouldn't. I don't want to play that right now. Okay. I don't want to play that. Because it's going against the trend. Right? It's going against the trend then. You don't always need a 618, guys. This was a 382, which is fine as well. Okay? So, yeah, just keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, good charts. I like it. Keep it up. Alright? Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys about it. To whitelist for it so you are ready for the sale. What I do look for in an ICO is a strong team. I look for low token metrics or low market cap so it's easy to flip. And of course, I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me because Ethereum and NEO price is super low. And that is not good, guys, right? A low price like that is just not good because it's hard to flip, right? Your ICOs. Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.